On our way to LA with Mr. Cabana over here. Are you ready to go to LA? He's really excited. He knows. As soon as I pack my stuff, he knows that we're going to LA. Oh, Cabana, you happy? So I just got my Starbucks so I can hit the road. And I got my pink drink. I had to get a small one because I'm sensitive to caffeine. So this will do. It tastes really good. And my croissant. So, oh my gosh. I get this cute wallet. It's the Victoria's Secret pink wallet. It's so cute. It fits all my cards in there. I really like this. It was actually a really good buy. I love it. Favorite place, Laudree. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I love this place. Look at this. This is so delicious. I love it. And this rose, got it iced. It's so delicious. You guys definitely need to try this place. And all the desserts are so pretty. Oh, let me turn it around a bit. Has a rose petal, and they are delicious. It's here at the Grove. I absolutely love this place.
Welcome to the Sound Factory.
Let me show them how cute this place is. Purses. Never full bags are so cute. This one is my favorite. It is pink. So adorable. And then it comes with a wristlet. Look how cute this is. Yeah, I like this for a night out. And then it comes in this too. Oh, San, I like this. The Never Full collection, the little booklet. This is so cute. Where'd you go? This is cute.
Oh yeah,
I know. I don't recall. This is when I did the photo shoot for San. Hustler. She's been one of my favorites for a very long time.
you gotta put air on tire.
Some lunch here with
This is
San.
the tire man right. Esta mangoneada, they have tequila.
Oh, okay.
Tequila and mango chamoy. It's pretty good. Right now.
Thank you.
They're making guacamole on the spot. Porque como and 3, 1, 2.
Well, how many?
do a different pose.
Oh.
Don't ask Tanya what time is it. It doesn't matter.
Let's do a picture.
Damn, Tanya. Tell me the
Never
purse,
full
Tanya.
bag.
Tell me the purse, Tanya. Post, Tanya, post. Tanya's wearing a relaxed outfit today with her never full purse. This is how you can style it. Very chic, very casual. It is a casual day out to have mimosas on a Sunday afternoon. Thank you, Tanya. Flip it around. Hold on, we need a catwalk. We need a catwalk with your
Flip it
purse.
around.
Yeah, flip it, catwalk. Walk, walk, walk. Damn, Tanya. Damn, Tanya. Thank you very much, Tanya.
And it has vegan leather trim. And it is the perfect shade of pink. I love this pink. This is like my favorite pink. I love the dolls. It's so pretty.